Alright guys, today we're going to start this video off with a public safety announcement. Always pay attention to your surroundings, because luckily they didn't get me, but right here, I don't know if you just saw that one fly out, there's one flying around, that is a yellow jacket's nest. The reason we're doing the suit, or not the suit, the inspector's jacket is, came to get these girls last night. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. You can already see there's 2 pounds of bees hanging out. There was 3 times that many last night. There was a basketball hanging below and you couldn't see the front or barely see the side of the trap. Trap's been active for about 3 weeks, because I checked it and there was nobody in it, but they were working it. And then the next day the landowner called. Let me see if you can see this, because I'm going to work the swarm trap from the tailgate of the truck and put it in this box. I've got another deep to go on top of it so they can work it. Then I'm going to ratchet strap together, take it home in a couple of days. But like I'm saying, always be aware of your surroundings. I have gloves, I've got the suit, my pants, I've got snake boots on, because where I'm at the foot of the mountain. Man has, I don't know, a couple hundred acres here on the farm. I've got a swarm trap here, one around the corner, one on up. So just because I've already caught 2 swarms on this tree, let me move that camera back a little bit. Just because I've caught 2 swarms on this tree, and both of those have been gentle, does not mean that I'm going to trust this bunch. Let's see if we can't raise that up a little bit. There we go. So I got my snake boots on because he said there's rattlesnakes around here, so I definitely don't want to get snake bit. Let's get into it. Oh, good Lord. So the box probably weighs, I'd say a good 50 pounds. Try to get some of them off the bottom so I don't squish them when I hit the tailgate with them. Alright, let's see what we got. It's a box of chocolates. And I forgot to light the smoker before we started. There's a lesson in always be prepared. I'll link the video. This is the easiest way in the world to light a smoker. You don't have to worry about burning your fingers, your hands. Just pack it. And you're done. Alright, let's see what we got. Well, got some, hey, got a wasp. Had a wasp, he done flew off. Right off the bat, first thing I see is hive beetles. There's 2, there's 3, there's 4, 5, 6, 7. Tells me I might not like these genetics, because I'm after the feral colonies. I'm not after somebody's managed bees. Of course, it helps being a local state inspector. You know kind of where just about everybody has their bees. And there's another hive beetle. I'll bring you over and let you see down on top of the trap. It's wall-to-wall bees. And I'm going to start from the frame that I put in the trap that has comb already in it, because they usually always store nectar in that to begin with. Don't know why. If somebody has an idea, please throw that out. And I say that, and this one proves me wrong. There's brood in it. And we have wonky comb off the bottom. And this, folks, is why you wear the suit, because you don't know what kind you got. They're not trying to sting, but they are up in my face. So we have brood, pollen, a little bit of brood, pollen, and same thing. They make a monkey out of me when I say it's usually always. And with bees, usually always means, when you say that, means they're going to prove you wrong. Alright, we're going to go to the outside with that one. Oh, this was definitely a massive primary swarm. And I did not bring any frames to rubber band this in with. Yes, I did. I have a swarm trap right over there. Now this is all nectar. And ladies and gentlemen, don't know if you can see her, but right there is the queen. Beautiful tiger stripe lady. Which makes it a lot easier doing that. Once you know she's in the box, you can just go to ripping and cutting. Another beautiful brood. Gonna move frame of foundation in from the draw, frame of brood, another foundation. I will guarantee you that the comb that's left in the bottom of the box has eggs and brood in it, so I will take that home with me, rubber band it into some frames, and voila, I have a split off of this colony. So far, other than flying around, they're not aggressive. Foundation without as a starter strip. Procrastination is not something you want to do. Looking at this, I wished I'd got out here last week, and because these girls are seriously honey-bound. But there's fresh white comb still being drawn that has nectar in it, no eggs. A little smoke. I don't like smoking bees, but two frames. This one is a very little worker comb, mostly drone brood. Same with this one, worker comb, across the top, down the side, all in the center is drone. This late in the season, I'm giving them that because sourwood is still blooming, being at the foot of the mountain. That's what they're bringing in now, so give them plenty of spaces to store any and draw whatever they want. Mix of, well, crap. Mix of brood and honey, which I can't wait to sample. But we'll do that about half a mile that way. Now the fun part, what do we do with all the bees left in the box? See this? Hatching out brood, backfilling eggs. I will take the bees in the box home and start a new colony. Normally I would take the box, smoke all the bees off the top, take it upside down, shake the bees in, but I'll show you what's in the box. All of that right there is honey, nectar. I don't know what's down at the bottom of these, but I would probably say there's still some brood. That's a nice contingency. I'll let them make their own queen. And that's as simple as it gets. Not hard, not really dangerous, simple and easy. I'll come back, run a ratchet strap around this day or two, take them home. I may bring them back. I've already talked to the landowner and he'd like to keep some bees out here. So I'll probably bring them back and put them way up there next to the back of his barn. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe. Share these videos. Enjoy. Have a great day. I just had a wonderful one.